Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirai Asset Sherkha. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bharat Electronics Limited. Our analyst maintains buy rating and a target price of Rs 380. Defense Acquisition Council has cleared 5 capital acquisition proposal worth Rs 21,772 crore to bolster India's defense capabilities, leading to skeptics towards growing order pipeline for defense companies over a period of 2 to 3 years. BEL is expected to be the biggest beneficiary due to its involvement in the EWS package for the Su-30 MKI aircrafts and its participation in various other proposals, including shipbuilding and the overhaul of electronic components and fire control system for tanks and BMPs. The stock has outperformed indices and is currently trading at PE multiple of 42 times for FY26 and 37 times FY27 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.